students, it's Miss Martineau here. We're going to talk about how we know that nonfiction texts are, in fact, nonfiction. So if you were using Destiny in our Media Center, you could go to your home screen and find the TrueFlix icon. You would click on that icon and then you will sign in to TrueFlix. Here you can find books online. Now let's look at this book. What makes you think that this might be a true book? Now obviously it says a true book at the top, so that's a giveaway that this is a nonfiction text. But also we notice the title, we notice a real photograph taken by a camera, and we notice a fact here. I'm going to turn the page. This is the title page, where you see the title again, explaining what this story will be about. Now, titles are nonfiction text features. Other books that are not nonfiction books also have titles and title pages. This is where you will find another text feature that will let you know what page you can find things on. This is the table of contents. In this book, it's just called Contents. Now, let's look at each one of these and see if we can figure out how we find one of these topics. This one says man-made deserts. That sounds very interesting. How have people in cities changed the deserts of the world? On page 21. So I can go down to the page numbers and type the number 21 and press enter. Oh my, look at that. It says man-made deserts, chapter 3. Then it explains about man-made deserts. You'll notice bold print here. You'll notice this arrow pointing to words that tell you about the picture. And right here, this is called the caption. Caption tells you about the picture that you're seeing in the book. These are very important when you're trying to figure out what you're looking at in a book. Notice on these pages you have headings, you have bold print. I could actually click on this and it will take me to the glossary. It shows me the definition right here. That's awesome. Again, you see a caption that's telling you about the photograph. Another caption here, a heading. These are all nonfiction text features. Now, this is exciting because you can go to Destiny and you can find books, nonfiction books here, and you can also look up books on Destiny to figure out what books you want to check out from our library. And you all know how to do that because Ms. Lewis gives you great lessons on using Destiny in the library. Okay, guys, great job. Can't wait for you to learn more about nonfiction text features.